Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Mufaro J, and I got a Glorytee, Slump6s, SGPWES, Glow, Hybrid, whatever type beat. I think you guys are definitely gonna like it, especially if you saw the preview. Um, I'm really start. The sound is really starting to grow on me. I think because it's so abstract, but it also has a lot of familiar familiar sounds to it, if that makes sense. That's what I really like about it. So first things first, let's talk about this melody. Alright, so this part is super simple. This is just a melody. Um, I like to just do something really simple with my notes. Just go up an octave. It's a minor key, go up an octave. D sharp minor. Nothing crazy, right? So we did that with a layer, did that with another layer, and then this is that same key, but I think it's up a whole octave. And then it's duplicated and up an octave again. That really gives this vibe. And there's a gross beat on there, so it makes it choppier and sound faster. This is like a computer virus sound. Both of these are. They just kind of fill in space and add an effect. This is, along with this typical ding that you hear in glow type beats, and just a bell just for that effect. And this is what this sounds like. So we got our claps, we got our hats, we got our open hats, we got our snares, there's another open hat, and then here's our 808s. So I'm going to play everything without the 808s. So here's the 808, and before I play it, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to play both two parts, and you're going to hear a difference. So in this first part, you're going to hear a layered 808. I put two of them together, turned them down, did some EQing and such, so I got this specific sound. Here's what just the 808s sound like. So what I did here was there's a part where it's layered, there's a part where it's not. And that's mostly for the verse. That way it's not as loud when it's hitting. So the focal point is more the vocals. Alright, now I'm going to play all the drums together. That way you can actually hear how that sounds together. That was just a little sauce for you guys. Nothing extra, nothing too crazy. Keep it simple. Just add a lot of instruments, if that makes sense. Like, as you see here with these patterns, I'm not doing anything crazy at all. I just have a lot of instruments, and because I have a lot of instruments, they're making a lot of different sounds, and that just really creates that fullness. So that's something you can just keep in mind and really think about. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, give it a comment. If you hated it, give it a comment. If you really hated it and I need to know, like, leave a comment and tell me what you hate about it, what you don't like about it, etc. If you do really like it, tell me what you really liked about it, what you love about it. Give me some recommendations on stuff I can work on to make things easier for you guys to understand. Give me some recommendations on type beats that you guys want, etc. I got you. Let's just keep making beats and keep doing what you're doing, guys. So peace out.